Hi, we continue the teardown of the Sperry SP40 autopilot. So today the trim coupler, it is the smallest plug-in module. So I will remove the sticky tape here all around. And remove the screws. So I do not remember exactly what we have in each module, but I know it is quite impressive. So you can see this module, the case is in pretty bad condition on this side. It is oxidized. So yes, I will also undo the bottom cover. Here we have, what do we have, guys? So first side, a bunch of relays, Dutch latch on this plate, a little potted module here. You can see a nice quality of aluminium here. And on the other side we have some wirings, some little trim pots here and here, and capacitors on all these pins. So you can see there is a unpopulated space here. So I guess I will need to remove more screws in order to have a look. Screwdriver is too long. This one will be much more convenient. So yes, we have 4 screws. Probably I did already undo them previously because they are really not difficult to remove. And here, yes, we have a bunch of potted modules, as you can see. So potted electronics with a model number written on each of them and a serial number here. So you can see it is made by SFIM and each module has its own serial number. It is really hard epoxy. I have no, sadly I have no X-ray machine handy to X-ray them and have a look inside. I guess they are little printed circuits with discrete amplifiers and things like this. Transistor electronics probably. So we have 3 relay drivers, 2 sensors and 1 trim monitor sensor. Here this thing is probably transformer, I guess, maybe, not sure. And this may be a dead code. I'm checking if I have other ones. So here you have screws holding the relays in place, 2 for each relay. Do we have stamps or something? Maybe here we have 67 written, and this may be 66. So yes, it may be late 60s. We will probably find more indications in the other modules. So this one is a simple one, but if I remember correctly, we will meet again this kind of potted modules in the other parts. So this was the first one. I would really like to see what there is inside this, but I cannot take them apart with no damage. I would like to find another scrap completely junk autopilot of this kind. and then take it apart completely for salvaging the relays and such, but they are becoming quite hard to find. This one I did got it from contact. I did find on eBay, but it was a direct sell to me. And if I remember correctly, it was not far from 100 euros, so it was not cheap. But there was at least 20 euros of shipping in it also. Okay, and you can see this really nice connector here. EV gold plating on it. Quite impressive. So I will put this back together, and in the next video we will see another module.